Hello, I'm Ilya from Bitskout, and in this video I wanted to show you how to create dynamic checklists using our system with the help of workflows and AI models. The point of dynamic checklists is you can create workflows just for that particular task and then remove them. Our platform is not limiting you in the number of workflows or number of AI models. And you can create them just for one project and then delete them. It's totally up to you. So in this example, what we're gonna do is we're gonna check the door package in a site warehouse. So sometimes in construction industry, there is missynchronization between what a contractor has sent and what is expected to be delivered. Meaning that sometimes in the specification that it says like the door has to have a set of things and then a couple of components are missing. For example, a soundproof frame is missing just because there is nobody have unified system of identifying each package. Okay, each contractor has their own identifiers and barcodes, etc. Sometimes that happens, and it's very bad if you recognize it in very later stages of the construction, because it means you have to reorder all those things. So what we can do is we can create a small checklist that will help us automate those things. And I have created a checklist for door specification. Let's say we have two specifications, and I created a form which a contractor can fill in. So like that. I mentioned that we have received lots of packages, and we open one package with specific barcode to see what's inside. And let's say when we open, we recognize there is a door. So let's select a component. Let's select a photo of the door. Let's say we have snapped the photo, and we need to put a package ID. Just let's put any number. Door from package. That one. Okay. Basically, we're checking each and every component. And what happens here, once it's created, we can create a rule and automation when the status is changed to validate once we select the workflow. In this case, it will be doors checked. So once I select the status to validate, the system sends the data to Bitskout platform, where we invoke the workflow, which is called door checks. In this workflow, we check that there is an image attached, and we validate this against a door delivery AI validation algorithm that we have created. And once it's done, depending on the result, it's either gonna be approved or rejected. Okay, so now we can see that it has been approved. And let's proceed and do for all other components in this package. Okay, so now I have checked and uploaded all the images of each component in the package. Now let's see what happens if, let's say I remove one file, and let's say I didn't do a picture of the frame, so like it's missing. So let's switch to validate and run the checks. Okay. As you can see, immediately the one without the photo was rejected, because there is no photo and there is no attachments found for this task. It's against the workflow that I have designed, so it is rejected, and this task has to be redone. And what happens is now you have checked this particular specification, and you can confirm that this specification has these things, and you can proceed to another specification, which usually differ by a barcode or something. And what happens, you can do the same thing with Windows, and at the end you can build a dashboard which will demonstrate you what's the warehouse deliveries status for that particular building, giving you basically real-time understanding what's there and what's going on in a dashboard. So this way you can use a combination of Monday features and different rules and automations and an AI to analyze certain things and automate certain behavior. So I hope this was useful. Thanks a lot for your time.